Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is Kaylin if you are new here. For this week's health video, I am going to be doing the apple cider vinegar challenge. It's supposed to aid in like weight loss and stuff, so I just wanted to try it to see if this was a way to help get my bloating down because I have a really bad problem with bloating, and to see if it helps me lose any pounds. On this challenge, I will be trying to eat as healthy as I can, but I'm going to make sure that I am eating. I think it's just a really horrible way if you're trying to lose weight in all the wrong ways. I heard that it's really good to help de-bloat and to help shed some pounds. So we're gonna try to bust that today and see if it's true. Here's the deal. I don't actually have any right now. I could have swore I had some in my kitchen, but I didn't. So we need to make a quick run to the grocery store real quick because if not, I won't be able to do this video. So let's go to the store real quick. Let's pick up this apple cider vinegar so we can start this challenge.
Yes, can I have a small strawberry banana smoothie? Thank you. Thank you, you too. Got my smoothie and my apple cider vinegar.
Alright everybody, so we are back from the store. I now have my apple cider vinegar and I got a smoothie because a girl was hungry. Okay, so according to healthline.com, I did not get this information from a doctor, so do not take it as a gospel, please. According to healthline.com, the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar is it is high in healthful substances, it can help kill harmful bacteria, may help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes, may aid in weight loss, and may boost skin health. We will see about these claims. I am doing it in more of the overall health, weight loss type of situation. Here is the weapon of choice. This is the Bragg Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar with the mother. This bottle is absolutely massive. It didn't look this big in everybody's videos. If you're gonna do this, it is very important to get it with the mother because that's where all the good stuff is from what I've heard. I heard this also is disgusting. We're gonna see about that, like taste and overall experience of doing this, because if this makes me want to throw up every day, I'm not gonna want to drink it. According to a lot of the videos and the research I've done, you should only consume about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar a day. Also, you should use it with a straw because if you don't, it can weaken your tooth enamel. So we're going to be using a straw. And I think I want to try diluting this in water because I heard it is absolutely disgusting and I'm very scared about that. So I'm not going to do it tonight because what I'm going to do is a lot of people are taking it just in the morning. So I think what I'm going to do is take it every day, but in the morning, right when I wake up. I am going to kick off this tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning will be the official start. It will be Monday, April 27th, 2020. We should be done by May 4th, 2020. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. Let's see if this stuff works, guys. Let's see if it works. I'm excited. The aftertaste is absolutely horrible. Oh. So if you couldn't tell, that was absolutely vile. It was bad today. I think I added either more of it by accident or less water, so don't do that. I want to give it like an hour before I eat anything just to get in my system, and then I will make me breakfast and I will see you guys in the next days. I smell like apple cider vinegar now. All right, everyone, it is day 3 and it is almost 2 p.m. I have just been putting this off because I genuinely, yesterday's was so absolutely disgusting. I wanted nothing to do with it today, but I know I have to. You know what this smells like? Like I'm about to dye Easter eggs. That's what this smells like. I know it's good for me. So I do want to say that even though I waited until like almost 2 o'clock to do this, I still haven't eaten anything. I do like taking this on an empty stomach because I feel like it's the first thing to hit your body, so your body's gonna take this in. So I like to give it like at least 30 minutes before I eat to an hour. An hour is preferable, but because I waited so late, I'm very hungry. So I think I might do like 30 to 45 minutes. I might make an hour, but I don't know. Cheers to the last day. All right, everyone, it is time to talk about my results. Okay, as you know, first of all, the taste, absolutely vile. Like, it's not as bad as I'm probably making it sound, but it could be so much better. And I just feel that like, it tastes like very old apple juice or apple cider. So like, at first you're like, oh, it tastes like apple juice. And then 2 seconds later, you're like, ugh. I'm not gonna go on a tangent about the taste, but it just wasn't great. Let's talk about some of the health benefits and see if some of these claims were true. As for helping with food cravings, this did pretty well. Like, actually, if I think about it, I was never like, oh, I'm so hungry, I need to eat. Like, it was never really like that. I mean, yeah, I get hungry, but honestly, I could just go with eating a good big fat lunch and a snack for dinner and I'd be fine. Not saying that that's what you should do. That's what it allowed me to do, and I didn't always feel so excruciatingly hungry, which was great. Okay, so the big thing that everyone wants to talk about is the weight loss. So let's just get into that. My weight actually fluctuated during this. After the first like 3 or 4 days, I had lost 5 pounds. I was at like 165, thriving for like 2 days in a row. And then I ended up the next day going out and having canes. And then that same night, my parents ordered pizza for dinner. That was definitely where the downfall happened. And so I gained like 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds back. So now I believe I'm like at a solid 167. I lost about 3 pounds, which is great news. But again, like I said in some of my previous workout videos, my weight is not my best friend. It is constantly fluctuating. I never go past 170, but it's always just fluctuating. My weight isn't always consistent, but it's been consistent for the past few days and it's at 167. Okay, so you might be wondering about bloating. My bloating did decrease quite a bit until I started eating really bad food again. That's just a product of my actions. I do believe that this apple cider vinegar does help my bloating. Like, I do not feel as bloated. I notice some things are fitting better, and it's just really doing a good job to keep my system in check. So will it help with bloating? I think so. I will say when I took this in the morning, especially like the first 2 days, every time I drink it, right after, my stomach wouldn't feel good. It wasn't that I was nauseous or anything. It was more of like, oh, my stomach's a little unsettled because there's some type of acid in my stomach. And apple cider vinegar is an acidic drink. That's why they recommend that you use a straw when you drink it. Because I did use a straw, I didn't notice any problems with my enamel or anything, or my teeth feeling gritty or anything weird like that. So if you use a straw, I think you'll be fine. But anyway, my stomach would be a little topsy-turvy sometimes. I realized that went away after about 5 to 10 minutes, especially if you hydrate yourself right after drinking the apple cider vinegar. I would like chug the same amount of just pure water just to kind of like add more hydration to my body and get something in my system that's not food. Okay, so you guys are probably gonna wonder if I worked out or was on some type of special diet while doing this. I wanted to see what apple cider vinegar alone could do. I did not work out. I worked out 1 day out of the whole week. So I did not work out. I did try to not overeat. Honestly, all about portion control, I believe. So if you're in a situation where your food situation isn't the best health-wise, just portion control. And if you can, try to get some veggies in there, because veggies have a lot less calories than French fries, and you can eat so much more so you'll feel fuller. But also, I'm not the type of person to be like, oh my god, salads are so good, I love me a good salad. Okay, I do love me a good salad, but like, I'm not obsessed with salads. I don't eat salads. I eat salads maybe once, twice a month at the most. Did I notice any health side effects? Not really. Again, the only thing that I noticed was my tummy getting a little topsy-turvy for the first few days, but after that it went away. I took mine every morning, and if I didn't take it right at the top of the morning when I woke up, I just waited until I did take it. I'd wait about 30 minutes and then I would eat, just so my body has enough time to absorb what I'm putting in my system. Am I going to continue this? I'm gonna take some time off for now because I don't want to overdo it and have my body get used to it. Also, I need to find a way to make that stuff taste better for me to want to do it, and I did it every single day. I didn't show every single day in the video because sometimes I'd be like doing it in between classes where I had like 5 minutes, but you saw the videos, you guys know I drank it. I would not lie to you about that. Does it help with weight loss? Yes. Did I have any horrible side effects? No. Do I think if I were to couple it with a good diet and exercise that I would have lost some more weight? Absolutely. That is the end of my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Welcome to everybody that's new around here. I really appreciate you guys. If you haven't seen any of my other fitness or health related videos, you can click the little icon at the top and just check out those videos that I have. I also mentioned in one of my videos that I was thinking I was gonna post them every Friday, but sometimes that doesn't work out with the length of challenges or when I can start a challenge. So I think what I'm gonna just try doing is posting one a week. So it's either gonna be Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, because I try having a 3-day upload schedule. But again, I am in school. Things have been extremely busy. That's why I only got 2 videos out last week. I'm gonna try my hardest to adhere to that and get 1 out a week. Please, down in the comments below, let me know what you want to see. Do you guys want to see me try some type of diet? Do you guys want to see me try some workout routine? Would you like to see like my own type of workout routine? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe down below to let me know that you like what I had to show, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.